Today I'm reviewing this portable emergency hand crank weather radio. It's powered with solar, hand crank, or the included rechargeable batteries. This pack gives a significant amount of power for its small size. It has AM, FM, and NOAA radio stations that come in crystal clear with the antenna. It has a 3-mode, very bright flashlight, a motion sensor reading lamp, and can charge 2 cell phones or a tablet. It also has a very loud SOS siren.
The way you broke it down, I think is really resonating with people. Why this is so
And the
important.
iPad iPhone adapter is a very clever addition. All features are functioning as expected, and the unit is compact and feels solid. Plus, it comes with an 18-month warranty. Every family needs this in an emergency situation, especially if you have a power outage during a weather event. I'm getting another one for my son that likes to go camping. On the whole, this emergency weather radio is an excellent unit and value. I definitely recommend this product.